Alright guys, so we're back with Aussie dollar here. This is our first target, 104. We just took another 8 points. We have about 11 points now. You can make this the Aussie trade of the day, admin. You guys over there making the profits. Okay, you're up 9. Okay, good. So we got traders here up 9. We got some of the traders and visitors here in the room this morning. They're up 9 or 10 now. We're looking for 104.15. We're looking for 104.15 on this Aussie dollar. Way to go, Mr. Jacobo. Mr. Michael, you there? You're on this Aussie dollar. Now we just closed a moment ago the euro dollar for a -5 and -6. I wasn't liking the price movement on that, so I closed that out. And that's all focused now. If we're closing, I already closed it out, so most of you guys should have closed out the euro dollar. It's just before lunchtime here. It's about 12:45, right? And again, we got a couple of interesting factors developing here. I believe President Obama is going to speak or has spoken already. I gotta look that up. But let's focus on this trade Aussie dollar, guys. Now the important thing here is we're going to see 104.15 as our first hurdle. Now, can Aussie dollar continue to push towards where it was last night before the RBA decision? Possible, but well, anything's possible, right? I can throw a football like Joe Flacco did in the Super Bowl and score a touchdown, right? It's possible, not likely. For you guys that know me, I am a very good position of quarterback in the game of American football. I'm not that good though. I'd rather be trading. But all seriousness, guys, let's look at the. You can trade on the sideline while I don't know. There's always time for trading, right? Okay, guys. So again, let's go back here. We're now plus 11. Again, first hurdle is 104.15. We took our entry at the reversal point we were talking about as our target entry. We did enter around that 103. Excuse me, 103.80, 103.85 area for Aussie dollar. I do like Aussie dollar now until Thursday. New Zealand dollar as well until Thursday. Keep in mind that this morning we did buy euro yen once that yen strengthened was over. That dollar yen we did buy it at 92. That was one of the trades of the day for yesterday, the 4th. And we did make some nice profits on dollar yen on the way down to 92. And then from 92 we made profits as it made its way back up to 91. And again, let me show you a quick review of our trade there. here's our entry. Here's our entry, and we made about 62 points on that trade yesterday when when dollar yen dropped. And then some of you guys, as we talked about that, 92 would be the entry and seek 91 to be tested. I'm sorry, not 91, 93 to be tested. Did I say 91? I said 91. Just to be clear, 93 to be tested. And we do have, again, a reminder, guys, we're going to stop trading here as Obama's about to speak in about 15 minutes. Again, Obama will ask Congress to pass a smaller package of spending cuts and tax reforms to avoid the sequester for a few months. Wow. Go figure, huh? I'll leave you guys to come up with your own conclusion and commentary there. But here's your surprise factors for the day. And I believe there's going to be a surprise factor. And again, as I've always said, guys, every time, well, not every time, but most of the time when Obama gets on the mic, what does the dollar do? You can fill in the blanks. Right. So we're going to expect that to happen today. Aussie dollar probably now can take off once Obama hits the mic It's in 15 minutes. So, and I was just showing you this review from yesterday on the dollar yen as we made about 62 points down on dollar yen, and at 92, most of you guys then reversed and made about 100 points as it tested 93 earlier this morning. Going back to Aussie dollar, there it goes, 13, 14 points. Let's go, andele, andele, Aussie dollar. Again, Obama's about to speak in 15 minutes, and as what I'm forecasting is that most likely he's seeking to delay the automatic cuts, and automatic spending cuts, which is also known as the sequester, is due to take effect on March the 1st after a 2-month delay from January 1st. So he's going to probably look to avoid the sequester for a few more months, probably into May. Let's see what happens. This is going to be the surprise factor of the day for today, February the 5th, Tuesday. And this is Chief Trader with Forex Insight, giving you the up-to-date trades and data, news, etc. Joke of the day, whatever you want to call it. Okay, we're about 15 points now. Here we go. We're 15 points into this trade. Keep in mind that our first hurdle on Aussie dollar is going to be 104.15, which is about 13 points away. We got 15 points already, and we're seeking 104.15. Our most likely close the trade out altogether. We already took some profits there on this scalp opportunity. This is a delta trade setup, and we're going to take some questions and answers now. We'll take some questions. I'll have the answers. Referring to the market, no, not relationships, and not what should I do with my significant other. He or she did this last night. What should I say today? Not those type of questions. But we can take those questions about the market, currencies, stocks as well. Sure. We got our experts here. So again, here we go. We got 16 points. Make sure your stop is at break even. Okay, whatever happens, your stop's at break even. So if there is and again, Obama's about to speak in about 15 minutes. If there is a knee-jerk reaction in the market, look at your euro dollar now pushing up to 82. Look at your euro dollar now pushing up to 82. But I'm expecting Aussie dollar to test the 104.15. If you're looking at your pound dollar here, let's go to the 15-minute chart. I'm sorry, let's look at the 1-minute chart. Okay. Notice this quick knee-jerk reaction earlier, about a couple of hours ago, in the pound dollar. Right. Notice this knee-jerk reaction here in the pound dollar. We got a knee-jerk reaction 156.45 to 156.75. It's a 30-point knee-jerk reaction within 2 or 3 minutes. I was actually right at the close of the euro session. So again, overall, I believe the pound dollar is going to continue to fall a little more, probably down to 155.50, and I would say the safe entry would be 156.70 to sell. I forecast that as an entry, and then we can see pound dollar continue to drop. But for now, most likely the dollar will continue to weaken as Mr. Obama is ready to hit the mic. And as he starts wrapping up there on the mic, we're going to see what happens here. We got 18 points now. Can we see 20? Can we get 20? 20? Can we get 20? We got all smiles here in the room. You like that trade? Yeah? It's a good trade, right? Well, this is the delta strategy, guys. And again, I'll be glad to show you guys. We're going to start a seminar very soon. Somewhere in the description on this video, on this clip, there'll be a link where you can join our room, and I will happily take your questions and give you a free 30-minute one-on-one Uh, Again, no relationship questions. That's my joke of the day. Yeah. But again, there we go. We got 18 points. We're gonna seek 20, and again, our first hurdle target is 104.15. Obama is about to speak, and we'll take some questions here.